Okay, what we're going to have a look at next is the change in resistance with the change in temperature. Now what this applies to is copper cables particularly, because copper will increase its resistance slightly if the ambient temperature rises, or indeed if the temperature rises because of excessive current going through the cable. We can plot a graph of that. If I say that's resistance R and that's temperature along the bottom in degrees centigrade, and that was say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ohms, and that was say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 degrees centigrade. If it had a resistance of 4 ohms at a temperature of 10 degrees, so that was 10 degrees there, 20, 30, 40, 50. If it had a temperature of 4 at 10 degrees, so that would be at that point there. So say that was in the winter, and then in the summer it had a resistance of 5 ohms at 40 degrees. So there's 40 degrees there, 5 ohms, and you can see there that there's a sloping line like that. And that's what we call a positive temperature gradient, or temperature coefficient. A positive temperature gradient. Right, so if you go online, I'll put some questions on there. Make sure that's in there properly. You can see the bottom scale there. 10 to 50, 1 to 7. Now when you see the questions on solar, you will need to just sketch the graphs on a piece of paper, and if you could take a photograph of them and upload them to me, I'll take a look at them. Thanks very much. Bye now.